It is a day like any other in salon business is up and running in Roysambu. This is Jacinta Mokami's hair salon. As you step in, you are sanitized before other services can be rendered to you. This was not a usual deal for her, but since coronavirus was reported in the country, she has been forced to take measures to protect herself and her workers.
Kuhusu coronavirus, tumejiandaa kwanza client akiingia, kwanza tunamosha mikono, alafu sasa ndio sasa tunaanza kumtengeneza.
Apart from the hand routine, every day she thoroughly cleans the sink surface as it is the most used equipment in a salon, especially by the ladies. But the clients are seemingly less worried even as the hairdressers put efforts to ensure they are sanitized.
Nilikuja nikujua nina uaminifu.
The nature of a salon business requires physical interaction between the hairdresser and the client. In cases like massage services, the masseuse goes an extra mile.
Unaweza kukutana na client kama 5 kwa lisali moja. Nao client 5 na wahudumia wote sipumziki. Sasa ni saa ngapi nitaosha huo mkono?
At Zimmerman, things are slightly different. At Marathon Barbershop, it is business as usual. Elizabeth Musimi, one of the attendants, tells me that they use Dettol and spirit in their day-to-day activities, but are not aware of measures that have been put in place to prevent the spread of the virus.
Hatujakuwa na ile zile zimekuwa introduced juzi. Sasa after corona imeingia. Sasa tunatumia tu zile tumekuwa tukitumia za kitambo kama Dettol.
Misinformation or lack of it is a big challenge. A number of the attendants know of the basics of the virus but are still torn on what to believe.
Wengine wamekuja hapa wakaongelea mambo ya corona, mala ni kazi. Mungu anatujaribu kutukazi. Ile kitu nimesikia tu wakisema ama vile tunaweza kudiscuss ni kusema ati tuombe tu Mungu atusamee.
About 20 individuals interact on a day-to-day basis in these vital businesses for human beings. The biggest challenge now being how to maintain a distance between a client and an attendant. Sada Hassan, KTN News.